welcome back. We've got, what is this, stitch number 24. So this one is crocheted in odd multiples. I made a chain of 29, and then you have your foundation row, 17 rows, and then your bind off. So here's a look at the front of the stitch, and then here's a look at the back. All right, so let's get started. All right, so we are going to begin from a foundation row. If you're new to the series, I'm going to put a link up here. You can follow the series from, the beginning, the first stitch to where we are now and learn to do all of this stuff. All right, so beginning on the second vertical stitch of the row, the first one you already have on your hook, we're going to Tunisian simple stitch. And because this is stitch number 24, I don't have to show you a Tunisian simple stitch step by step. All right, the next stitch, we're going to yarn over twice. So yarn over once, yarn over twice, and then you're going to Tunisian simple stitch. You're going to have 3 loops on your hook just from this stitch. You're going to yarn over and pull through all 3. So that's 1, 2, and 3. And then you tighten the stitch. This is going to create a little knot right there. So going on to the next stitch, we're going to Tunisian simple stitch. And then we're going to do this little knot. So we're going to yarn over once, yarn over twice, Tunisian simple stitch, and then yarn over and pull through 3. And tighten it up. And then you just repeat these same 2 stitches for the rest of the row. So Tunisian simple stitch, and then the little Tunisian simple stitch knot. So it's yarn over 1, 2, 3, simple stitch, and then Tunisian simple stitch knot. So that's 1, 2, 3. In the end, you're going to finish with a Tunisian simple stitch, and you cast on into the final stitch of the row. So this stitch is just a 1 row repeat. So this was row number 1. If you're making this square, you're going to repeat this 16 more times so that you have a total of 17 rows, and then we move on to the bind off. So for your return pass, this is just going to be a regular return pass. So you yarn over and pull through 1, and then for the rest of the row, you're going to yarn over, pull through 2, and then yarn over, pull through 2, and just repeat until you are left with just the 1 loop on your hook. All right, once you've completed all of your rows, you're going to do a Tunisian simple stitch single crochet bind off, and we've done this several times, but it's the you're going to cast on as a Tunisian simple stitch. Once you have 2 loops on your hook, you're going to yarn over and pull through 2 to close as a single crochet. So Tunisian simple stitch, and then close as a single crochet. You're going to repeat this in all of the vertical stitches of the row. Once you get to the end, you're just going to chain 1, cut your yarn, and you are done. Thank you all so much for watching. I will see you again in the next video.